what's up guys? I'm Sal. Thanks for checking out the video. Today it's going to be a really quick one and we're going to be talking about our climate knobs. So I had a viewer reach out and recommend to me these other climate knobs that he found on Amazon. And I've seen ones styled like this before on the Facebook groups or in pictures or whatever. And I never really felt the need to pull the trigger and buy one myself. But when Michael reached out and recommended these ones specifically, I said, you know what, screw it, it's only 15 bucks on Amazon. I'll give them a try and I'll make a video for you guys about it. So these ones are aluminum, like the whole case here is aluminum, and then there's a plastic insert on the backside, which will help like disperse the light. You'll see at night the outer ring here lights up. So they feel extremely high quality for a climate knob. I gotta tell you, this is the easiest install you're ever gonna do in your life. So you pull off the old knob, it just comes off just like that, and you put the new one on, and you're done. I will say, taking off these OEM knobs, that one didn't do it. Let's see if this one does it. The OEM ones come with this little metal tab that slides in, and this is what holds the knobs in place. You don't have to transfer this over to the new ones from Amazon, but this little tab is notorious for falling out and getting lost. And if you ever go to put these knobs back in and you're missing this, it's going to be all wobbly and it'll just keep falling out on you. I did that once, super annoying. Thankfully, I was able to find the little metal piece and put it back. But just a little PSA, don't lose this metal piece, and you don't have to transfer it over to the new ones that I'm talking about in this video. So I'll keep throwing these guys on. You can't screw up the direction, it just sits on the one way that it lets you do it. And bam, they're installed. I think it really elevates the look of the interior here, you know, just adding that pop of exposed aluminum. It looks nice, especially if you have an aftermarket head unit like I have. You got the CarPlay up, you got the new knobs, just kind of makes it look like you know, an elevated experience in here and just a little bit nicer. I do also have aftermarket LEDs behind the center console here, so that's why the backlighting is a little bit more white than green, which you might be used to. I have a whole video dedicated to that. I'll have that link below. This is obviously also an aftermarket head unit. This is an Toto F7 with wireless CarPlay. I have dedicated videos to this as well. I'll have that link below. And then just because I most likely am going to get questions about it, I also have this USB input here, which is connected in the back to the head unit. So I don't have to run the wire down under the plastics or anything. I just plug in right there. And if for whatever reason I want to use wired CarPlay or just charge off of the head unit, I have that available to me too. So all of those, there are videos about them and they'll be linked down below. The link to these on Amazon will be linked down below. And I think for $15, you can't go wrong. Worst case, you hate it and you return them, or you don't worry about the $15 and you move on in your life. So that's all. Like I said, quick one, but I think worthwhile, and I think you know, a couple of you guys will definitely be all about these things. Like I said, just elevates the look inside your truck, and it's always fun to freshen it up every once in a while. But that's all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and have a great rest of your day.